cleaned out a random food bag, some stuff that broke open in the van that was in the back the whole time I was traveling. Got some tomato sauce. What else did we find? Bonzo beans. We got the kidney beans, kidneys, and I got more tomato sauce. I think there's pasta. Let me go through some more stuff in the back. I'm selling some electronics. I am finding some extra food that I have that I can make. What is this good till? What does that say? Ooh. So we should probably make this pretty soon. This one's got another year on it. These kidney beans. Put this iPad on offer up. With this, I got this keyboard. I haven't used this thing in a couple of months. And I just have too much electronic stuff to use. Just phones nowadays, you do so much with them. That's all you really use for most of the stuff. But yeah, this is a Bluetooth keyboard. And then I'm gonna sell it with the charger. Not for the keyboard, but for this kind of charger, the iPad, for $40. That's how much these things are worth now. This is a first generation. And I don't know, it's gonna get me some food money, some, probably another week here if I need. They're a little past the expiration date, but with freeze-dried kind of foods, they last a lot longer. So I want to talk a little bit about like confidence and things like that. And it's just nuts to me how like a group of people will treat an individual without any confidence, and how a group of people will treat an individual with a lot of confidence. It's disgusting. It's really disgusting. Probably a couple other words I could think of, but I don't know, man. Empathy is and I say it all the time, it's lacking. It's a retardation, mentally challenging point in our society, I would call it. Out of like all the different forms of intelligence, it's like it's at the bottom of the totem pole. I've had this for like almost 3 years, 4 years. By the time I ate it. I don't think these little babies came at a better time. Oh baby. sucker got me good. Surrounds me shit middle of the night in this portion of the ground, I guess. Sweet. My phone service got suspended in the middle of the night last night, so we're gonna do some Waco scouting because I'm still trying to sell my MacBook Air to somebody who's trying to buy it for 2013 MacBook Air, I should say, for $120. Cut him a deal. I think it's legit, but we're gonna do 140. He can text me for a few hours. I think it's like younger kid. Said something about his mom being in the hospital and stuff. He asked for 120. Doesn't seem out of the realm of, it doesn't seem like he's trying to scam me. It just seemed like he seemed like a kid. He was super responsive, kept asking me, like, can I get it? Is it mine? Whatever. And I was like, wait a day. I was gonna see if I got any better offers, and he just kept asking me like over and over again, like little kids, younger kid. So I think it's legit. But $20, not a big deal. $120 would be a nice chunk of change in my pocket right now. So that's what we're gonna do. There's a couple spots I know where there's Wi-Fi. I'm gonna see if we can get closer spots. Rather than walking to the Starbucks that's like a mile away, and there's Dunkin' Donuts in a different direction, it's like a mile away. I also want to see if the 7-Eleven or the Stripes, whatever it is, I don't know who owns it, what commercial business, but if they have like a small radio, because I don't have music. I have to use my laptop with like CDs, and it's a pretty inefficient way to play. It's not that efficient to run your laptop just to play music on CDs when you can get a small radio and it doesn't use that much energy and you can listen to music. So I'm gonna see if they have a small radio. Plus, it should have at least a few of those. Especially one of the emergency ones if you're gonna be doing a lot of off-roading, not going to remote places where they're not the most civilized. You should have one of those heavy-duty emergency radios to get a really good, strong signal. I was going to get one of those, but did not get one of those.